We view the press as, yes, it's a living archive of the archetypes of digital fonts, but it also is an archive of historically how letter forms and type developed. The work that the students do here is integrated into the typography curriculum of ArtCenter. What we do here is we use it as an experimental typography workshop. Yes, you can learn about the rudiments of typographic design, but you can also use the technology to experiment. To look at how does touching and making differ from working on a computer. What kind of design and creative landscape can you create within both technologies?